Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, today is Tablescape Tuesday, and this is hosted every Tuesday by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. This is also an open collaboration. Anyone is welcome to join. And today happens to be freestyle, so you can choose whatever you like to do for your tablescape for today. Now I'm going to be choosing to do a fall theme. I love the shine that this gives my table. It's Orange Glow Wood Furniture Cleaner. Okay, now I'm going to start with this really pretty fall table runner that I had ordered last year from Amazon. And I think I only used it one time, so I was happy to bring it out and use it for today's tablescape. It's embroidered edges. Isn't that gorgeous? With leaves on it. And then next, this really pretty charger. It is orange in color with gold edging. Again, that was Amazon. And then I will be adding my Linux plate. It's kind of like a cream color. I've had that for a good many years. And then for a dessert or salad plate, my pumpkin gourd plates. Again, that was Amazon. I think these are so pretty. I do showcase those a lot. And then I have my cream color napkins with a rattan napkin ring and my fork that is hammered handled. All those are from Amazon. Okay, next is the centerpiece with these really pretty fallish colors. And there's also eucalyptus leaves in it as well with a terracotta vase. Next, I'm going to be adding my yellow candles and my glass candle holders. And then I have a little bit of greenery and a terracotta and white vase, a little fall stem, a couple of fuzzy pumpkins that say blessed. There's two of those. Those came from the Dollar General, as did the pumpkin salt and pepper shakers. So here's what the table looks so far. Ready for fall. Next, I have these really pretty water or wine goblets. Those also came from Amazon, and they're in 4 different colors. I think they're really pretty, and I have used these many times before. Like this one has a bluish tint. There's one that has a rose tint, a green tint, and the other one has kind of a plum tint, I guess. Okay, now I'm going to give you a close-up of my tablescape for today. Didn't that turn out pretty? Now do stay tuned because I will be lighting the candles. I do want to thank Anna for hosting this collaboration and many others. Now be sure to check out the playlist and be so kind to leave everyone a comment and a like. And if you would like to participate in Tablescape Tuesday, just let Anna know and she'd be happy to add you to the playlist. And if you enjoyed this, I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel and to any of the other channels that are participating. And again, if you would like to join our YouTube family, just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 25 and let Anna know. We would be happy to have you. So one more look around the table. I just love these pumpkin and gourd plates, and they look really nice with this orange charger plate. This is really the only time of year I bring those out, is in the fall. Now do stick around because I will be lighting the candles very shortly. Oh, but before I do, I'm going to take you over here to my side shelf where I've added a couple pumpkins and a basket. So I have a little touch of fall over here on my shelf as well. And I had those yummy cupcakes in the basket, if you noticed. I love to use my faux muffins and cupcakes from Amazon. And there's even a picture over here of it's a vase with some lemons in it that I did frame myself. Okay, now I am about to light the candles. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Now be sure to go over and check out the playlist, and we'll see you all next week. Bye-bye for now.